Hello there and welcome back. Let's continue our OpenFaas journey and create a node streaming service. The previous video was about the Bash streaming service, so now we are going to create a node-based version. So first we have to enable the port forwarding, then we create the demo5 folder, and inside the demo5 we will use the template store list command, and here what we will do is to look for the node streaming service. I think it's based on node 18, but what is it? Oh, that's inside the Bash streaming service. So let's pull it. And as you can see, the node streaming is available. So now what we can do is to create our project, so to speak. So FAAS CLI, new lang node streaming, and my stream. This is going to be the name, and here we can edit the folders. So my stream is going to have a handler.js file, and here we create our node script. So module exports is going to be the context and the callback, and then we are going to create our definition. So var count equals 0 and var count, or let's call it max, let's call it 1000, and then we use the var timer set interval function, and then we are going to define what's inside that function. So that's curly brace. So process std out that write, and here we will have my stream plus count to string, and we will have a new line character. And once this is done, we can increase the count, and then if count is greater than the max, then what we will do is to clear interval timer and the callback undefined. So now we have this one, and now we can use the one as the argument, and it should work. So let's save it. And we have to edit the my stream.yaml, and here we will name it as ReaperPy my stream latest. So let's bring it up. So if the build goes well, we should be able to see the result. Pushed. And if we want, we can also increase the timer intervals or timeouts, but for now, this should be fine. And we have some kind of error. What could be it? So we have the set interval with the function, and if we want, we could also use the Docker run --name my stream -d -p 8000 to 8000 reaper/pi /my stream docker ps, and then curl localhost 8000 http. So this is mapped to port 8000, localhost, HTTPS, no. So docker logs AC, okay, it's running, and which should be it? Let's rebuild it. And now we would like to call the function. Oh, and it is working. So basically what we want to do is to re-edit it. So my stream and handler.js, and we had the message of streaming my number. Let's give it a nicer look. And bring it up once again. So FAS CLI list and CURL, and it is working. So this is how we can create a node-based stream handler service in OpenFaas. See you in the next one.